Good morning, everyone, and welcome to my English class. I hope you all are fit and fine. Today, I'm going to explain the chapter number 1, that's the painting. This chapter is related to Tenali's wisdom. Tenali, who is a great poet and jester at the court of King Krishnadevaraya. He was the king of Vijayanagar. Tenali Raman is very intelligent. There are many stories based on his wisdom. The painting is one of them. Now let's start to read this chapter. It is usual day at the court of Raja Krishnadeva Raya. An artist has come to show his paintings. The king and most of his courtiers are impressed with the paintings. However, one of the courtiers, Tenali Raman, looks displeased. Now, what happened? It was a time when all the courtiers, along with Tenali, were present in the court of King Krishnadeva Raya, who was the king of Vijayanagar. At that time, an artist came in the court to show his paintings. All the courtiers, along with the king, became very happy to see his paintings. But Tenali Raman didn't like his painting. He said, "That's really a beautiful painting. You are very talented. You will be given a bag of gold coins. We shall be very pleased if you can make more such paintings." Now, the king was very happy and said, "It's a really wonderful painting." Means the king appreciated the artist for his talent and he promised him to give him a bag of gold coins. "Your Highness is very kind. It will be an honor to make paintings for you." Now, at that time, what happened? The artist respected the king for his kindness, as well as he said, "I will be grateful for you because you offered me to make many paintings for you." "I do not think those paintings are good." "Well, I think they are perfectly lovely." Now, what happened? At that time, Tenali was not satisfied. He said, "I don't think so. These paintings are good." But the king said, "I didn't agree with you. These paintings are very beautifully drawn. So look at this painting. Where is the other side of these two men?" Now at that time, Tenali pointed out to the painting and said, "You can see the king. There is no other side of these two men. So only one side we can see in this painting." When Tenali replied like that, the king became very sad and he said, "What an ignorant fool you are." He said, "Tenali, an ignorant fool. You have imagined the bits that are not visible." He told that everything should not be drawn. It's not necessary to draw everything. Something you can imagine yourself. Now, what happened? "I believe I can paint better than that." At that time, Tenali said, "I know, and I promise you that I can paint better painting than that of artist." At that time, the king said, "If you will do like that, then I will give you a bag of gold coins." "Well, I could if I had a canvas and some paints." Then Tenali said, "If you provide me a canvas and some paints, then I will definitely make a beautiful painting for you." "Now, you may have the canvas and paints in the month's time." The king said, "Not only canvas and paints, I will give you a time of 1 month to paint. If at the end of 1 month you will bring me a painting that is half as good, I promise a bag of gold coins." You know what the king said? The king said, "If you will make a better painting than that of artist within a month or after a month, I will give you a bag of gold coins." Then what happened? Tenali is very intelligent, so he accepted the challenge. "I accept the challenge. After a 1 month, I will show you better painting." And after accepting the challenge, Tenali went out from the court. The courtiers who were listening sniggered behind their hands. What happened? When the king said these words, the courtiers who were laughing unkindly, they know that Tenali Raman cannot paint because they know very well that Tenali doesn't know how to paint. So they all looked at Tenali angrily. But Tenali glares angrily at them and walks out. In anger, Tenali went from there. He has really painted himself into a corner. He thinks he is smarter than everyone else. Now, do you think what happened? At that time, all the courtiers started to discuss that Tenali feels himself smarter than others. Now, you have really caught him off this time, Your Highness. I would like to see him get out of this one. Now, one courtier said to other that you caught him under a tricky situation. Now let's see how he will come out from that situation. Now I think Tenali has been trapped. I would not be too certain of that. He is really very clever. Then the other courtier said, I don't think like that. Because he will stuck into this situation because he will not stuck into this situation because Tenali is very clever. Now 1 month passed. एक महीना बीत गया. The courtiers are eager to see Tenali's painting. All the courtiers were very excited to see Tenali's painting. So what to do? We have to do. Your Highness, today is the day Tenali Raman shows you his painting. Now all the courtiers were very excited. Now they decided to appear in the court and said to King Krishnadeva Raya, it's a time when Tenali has to show his painting. So what do we have next? Means they are in front of the kings and said, what we have to do then? Then where is he? It's late and almost time for my lunch. The king became very unhappy and said, he has been late. Almost it's a time of my lunch. So what to do? Perhaps he's so busy with his masterpiece that he has lost all track of time. So one of the courtiers said, I think he has forgotten because maybe he was so busy in his paintings that he has forgotten that time has been passed and it is a time to show his painting. Perhaps his painting is so good that he can't bear to part with it. Other courtiers said maybe he has made a beautiful painting and he doesn't want to show in front of other. Well, we can't wait anymore. He has lost his bag of gold coins. At that time the king said, I can't wait anymore. I will not give him a bag of gold coins. He has lost his bat. Yes, yes, it's only fair that he can't make good his boast. Means all the other courtiers said he didn't fulfill his promise. So he has to pay a penalty. All the courtiers are angry. Oh, there he is. Look, he has brought a painting, but it is covered with a cloth. Now, other courtiers said, now it's a time Tenali has come. With his painting, Tenali comes in followed by two men holding a covered painting. At that time, what happened? Suddenly, Tenali appeared with his painting, but his painting was covered. The Raja lifted the cloth to find a blank canvas with a few curved stalks black at the edge and a few wisps of green below it. Now, do you think what happened? There was nothing on the canvas. When the Raja lifted the cloth and he saw there were few curved stalks of black at the edge and few wisps of green. Means there is a grass below it. Then the king became very sad. Good afternoon, Your Highness. Tenali said, good afternoon. Look at what a beautiful horse I have drawn. Tenali said, I have drawn a beautiful horse. It's magnificent. It's glorious. There is a black stallion. There is a black horse with a white scar on his forehead. So, look at the saddle. It's look very beautiful. It's a saddle made of leather. So, what's it? I don't see a horse. The king said, there is nothing I can see on that painting. There is no one horse I can see. So, this is very insulting. You are trying to make me feel, do you think am I a silly one here? There is nothing on the canvas. Well, you said that we should use our imagination. King, at that time, Tenali said, King, it was your words. Nothing can be drawn. Something we have to imagine. So rest of the horse is just outside. My horse is just has gone outside and the canvas grazing. And there is a lush green grass on my canvas. Look, you can see the edge of its tail. Now you can see the tail of the horse on the edge in that corner above the lush grass. And my horse has gone to eat to enjoy the green grass outside the canvas. Now the king understood what happened, and he said, "You have got the better of me, minister." And the king agreed to give him a bag of gold coins for his witness, for his intelligence. And the king thought that Tenali was the cleverest minister in his court. I hope you all understood the story. And through this story, Tenali wanted to make people understand that by seeing only one side of any personality of the person, don't judge anything. We have to always think about both sides of coins. Thank you, everyone.